forget to pick up a Halloween drawing sticker. If you like drawing, I put these on my sketchbook, I put these on my window, I put these on my water bottle and my laptop. These are great. They are on sale until October 31st, 2022 at 12 o'clock. After that, they're going to be gone forever. So pick one up at the first link right down below in the description. Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a monster jack-o'-lantern. It's going to be simple, easy, completely for beginners, and like I said, step by step. And short, so a short lesson too. So let's hop right in, okay? First thing I do here is I'm going to pull curve line down for kind of the scrunching of the kind of angry face. Down over here, going to be the brow, kind of the scrunching of the brow. And I'm going to go over here and I'm going to pull off to this side, up, down. Going to go over here, pull off, up, down. Go over here, curve down, line in, curve underneath. Look kind of that eye. Gonna go over here on this side, pull down on that edge of that eye, and then curve down over here. Curve on the top. Alright. Down over here, down. Down over here, down. Curve up, curve down, and now you have like that nose shape right there. It's kind of almost shaped like a claw aiming downward. Gonna go over here, kind of pull a line over here for like a lower lip. Gonna go right here on this side. By the way, don't forget, hit the like button if you like learning how to draw Halloween stuff. Definitely hit that like, or if you like this specific monster one. And I'll draw more, more stuff just like this. Curve up, down. Right here we have one giant tooth sticking out. Over here, down over here on this side. Line, line. Gonna throw some other teeth sticking up here. Over here on this, over here on this, and I'm gonna go right here for the the bottom of the pumpkin with this bumpiness, right? Gonna go right here on this side, curve, pulling up, in, out, down right here for kind of the stem of that pumpkin. The stem has this kind of like texture to it, so we want to throw lines in there, preferably thinner lines in the outside of it, but doesn't matter too much, at least with the scale that we're at. I mean, but gonna go over here, curve on this side, over here on this side, curve on this side. Now we're gonna go down here and we're gonna draw a curved line for the striations of the pumpkin, kind of following them down. Line over here, line over here, over here, over here, over here, over here. Down, 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 down. Curve, curve, curve. Curve line around here. Curve line around here. And now I'm going to fill in the eye shape right there. So I'm going to fill this in totally dark. While I'm talking about that, don't forget, if you want to improve your overall drawing, okay, like overall drawing, hit the, go over to sketchingeasy.com and there's a beginner drawing lesson over there. So check that out, okay? There's a beginner drawing lesson on, like, if you've never drawn anything, if, basically, if it's kind of more for that, if you've never drawn anything in your life, or you want to start the right way. Some people have shaky hands when they start. If you want to get rid of that issue in like a day, or not a day, in like a week, a couple of weeks, go there. Go to sketchingeasy.com. Like, it sucks. Like, imagine it's like a year from now and you still have shaky hands and you're still unsure of what to do. Just you know, it's free. Go over there, sketchingeasy.com, and then click the dragon for that beginner lesson. Right on. Fill this in. Cool, cool. And now I'm going to fill in the nose as well, okay? Right here for that nose shape. What are you guys dressing for Halloween? Do you guys know yet? I have no clue what I'm dressing like for Halloween this year. And that's my mystery every year. I always decide last second, but I'll try to find something. Curve line underneath, curve line underneath, line, 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 line. Curve line over here, curve, curve, curve line over here. And just throwing some curves everywhere, right? Just to kind of throw them in there for detail. And now I'm going to fill out the... I'm going to throw a thick line around all of it. The reason I want to do that is I want to make it kind of look like a sticker. Right? I kind of like the look of like the sticker look. And that's mostly what I want to do, is that sticker look. But it also kind of merges everything down. It kind of gives it a... I'm going to throw a little swoop there. It just kind of, it simplifies it down. It makes it so that it's reachable. By the way, don't forget, if you want to represent the channel and yourself, go check out the stickers, the Halloween drawing stickers. Go check those out on sketchingeasy.com, the store. A lot of cool stuff there. If you want to put that on your binder or your folder or anything like that, that stuff is amazing. These really fun sticker types. Alright, gonna go over here, down. Continuing to curve over here. Ooh. And that's mostly it. I can kind of fix up some stuff around here, maybe, you know, throw a couple of little thin lines here and there, but for the most part, we're done, basically. I want to thank you very much for sticking around. Hit that like I said, and subscribe. It's always fun to do that. It helps the algorithm out. I want to like really push the Halloween aspect of Halloween this year on the channel. Like I really want to, you know, say hi to people But thank you so much. You guys are amazing, and you know, I love, you know, all the outpouring of nice comments. So thank you so much. It's been amazing, and I'll see you 3 times a week or 3 times a day. Talk to you later.